What I often notice is people have a lot of trouble actually getting high quality images for products from Dropshipzone. So a lot of people, they open up a product and they go copy image or copy image address, and it gives them a really low quality image, and obviously that's not good for your website. So what you need to do is go to My Account, and here there'll be download SKU. Now you can go for a random product, for example. You want to copy the SKU, you can also do it up here, but this is easier, right? And then you want to input it here. Now you will be able to submit as many as you want of different SKUs. So if you have duplicates, it won't allow you to submit, but of different SKUs, you can put a whole line and it will tell you how many you can do at each time. So you can then press submit, and it will say, well, I've already submitted this one, but it will say please allow 20 minutes for newly submitted SKUs to be appeared on my SKU page. So after you submit it, it will come up with a thing saying your SKU submission is successful or something, and then what you can do is you can go to my SKU, and after about 5 to 20 minutes, it will be opened up here. Then you can select it. It will show that it's new when they're newly downloaded, and you can press download. Now it will open up as a zip file. So what I offer, it does offer all these different things where you have different files that you can upload straight away, but I often just want it for the images, as you may as well, and there's descriptions in here as well. So you can copy this, and what I like to do is I like to actually create a list of folders of all different product numbers, and then I'll say put the product in like that. It's as simple as that, and then obviously you can open it up on Shopify and put in all the products.